Welcome back to another Tech Tip by Appliance video. Today we will take a look at how long eggs, fish and poultry will last in the refrigerator or freezer without spoiling.
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
Improperly stored meats and dairy can be very dangerous, resulting in salmonella or E. coli. This is why it's very important to ensure your refrigerator is properly cooling. It should be between 37 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 to 4 degrees Celsius. Chicken and turkey can keep in the fridge for 1 to 2 days. While eggs are not refrigerated in the UK, in the US, due to the processing, they must be refrigerated. An egg in a shell will last for 3 weeks in the fridge, while leftover yolks or egg whites will last 2 to 4 days. Raw fish and shellfish can last only 1 to 2 days in the fridge, and cooked fish will stay fresh in the fridge for 2 to 3 days. A few tips on storing these products. When refrigerating eggs, make sure you store them with the small end of the egg pointing down. As for chicken and turkey, keep them in the original packaging for refrigeration, and place in the meat or deli drawer. So how long do these meats and eggs last in the freezer section? First, you'll want to ensure that your freezer is hitting temperatures between -5 degrees Fahrenheit and 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, check out our video, Why Ice Crystals, Frost or Moisture Form on Food in Your Freezer, for tips on how to hit proper freezer temperatures. Chicken and turkey can last up to a year in the freezer. Fish can be kept for 2 to 6 months in the freezer. Leftover yolks or egg whites can last 9 to 12 months, though it's not recommended to freeze eggs in their shells. When freezing egg whites or yolks, to keep the best texture, add half a teaspoon of sugar or salt per cup of eggs, depending if it will be used in a sweet or non-sweet dish. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one.